In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in Elementor Free. This is a great way to showcase multiple images on your website in a visually appealing manner, and it's surprisingly simple to do. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll open the Elementor editor. Navigate to the page you want to add the slider to and click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the editing interface, allowing you to make changes directly to your page with the intuitive drag and drop features Elementor is known for. Next, we're going to add a new section to your page. You'll see a bright plus button, usually right in the middle of your screen. Go ahead and click that to create a new section. You'll then be prompted to choose a column structure. For the purpose of a straightforward slider, selecting a single column will work perfectly. This sets the framework for where your slider will appear on the page. Once you have your section in place, it's time to drag and drop the image carousel widget. Over on the left, where the Elementor panel is located, there's a search bar at the top. Type in Image Carousel, and you'll see it appear in the list of widgets. Click on it and, without releasing your mouse button, drag it into your newly created section. This widget is what makes the slider functionality possible, as it will allow multiple images to be showcased in a smooth, sliding fashion. Now that you've dragged in the widget, it's time for the exciting part, adding images. Click on the Image Carousel widget you just placed to bring up its settings. Here, you'll find an option that says Add Images. Go ahead and click that button, and it will bring up your media library. If you already have images uploaded that you'd like to use, simply select them. If not, you can upload new ones directly from here. Just click on any images you want to include in your carousel to select them. When you're satisfied with your selection, click the Create a New Gallery or similar button to finalize the images you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image slider using the free version of Elementor. Now you can further customize the settings to adjust things such as the speed of the slides, the spacing between images, and whether or not you want arrows or dots for navigation. Feel free to explore the styling options until you're happy with how your slider looks and functions. Remember, making your website visually engaging is all about trying different things and seeing what works best for your content. This is a fantastic way to make your website pop and keep visitors engaged by dynamically displaying visual content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing the stunning sliders you create. Happy website building!